Hello everyone, Tony for Only Faith. Today I'm in Koreshan State Park in Estero, Florida. Gonna take a little quick tour of the park, see what's around, and give you my thoughts. Hope you enjoy. Heading down to the boat ramp now. Kayak launch. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. March 13th, 75-degree day, and it's real pretty here in this park. A lot of nice trees. Then after the boat ramp, I'm gonna take a little ride into the campground. Check that out. And it looks like we arrived at the boat, or at the kayak launch. So they got some parking here. Got picnic areas, restrooms that way. I guess this is where you launch your boats. It's nice handicap parking. Garbage cans. Little tubes for your fishing lines. This is part of the Great Calusa Blueway. It's got a place to put your kayaks if you need to. Storage. People kayaking. I actually kayaked this river before with my family. It's pretty nice. Nice and calm. Oh, something jumped over there. Actually, I remember when we kayaking, we took our a little lunch break here. This is the road to the campground. Go check out some of the sites. And maybe the dump station. See what it looks like. Park is very nice and clean. Very well kept. Not a speck of garbage on the floor. on one piece of paper. Very pretty. Looks like I'm coming up to the dump station now. Someone is there. Looks like I just saw him with a hose in his hand, so they got water. Flush out your tanks. Looks like we have two of them. One there, one there. Garbage dump. That looks like a dump. Place to dump. Some water there, so I don't know if that means it's overflowing. But dump station. Another one here. And right behind the dump station. Nice little playground. Walk with your kids. Kids can play in the slides while you dump your poop. So you got a campground host here. See if I can get a map. So I got a map over here of the campground. Post a picture of it. See site number 28. So you got water, got electric, fire ring in there. It's very private. Very beautiful trees here. Good palms. Site 29. Site 30. Sites here. All nice. All very private. Got all these trees in between. Someone left their cable here. And their carpet. And even shopping. Another site here. Surprisingly, a lot of these sites are empty, but try to book them. They're all taken. I say they get cancellations a lot. Nice little B van there. Little Travado. Ram. From Maryland. Site 39. Site 40. Again, very picturesque. Very pretty. My co-pilot here. He's very excited. As you can see. So over here, I think they got another campground host. So keep an eye on the place. Make sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to do back here. Site 2, house 2. This is 3. 4. Again, all these sites are very private. Can't see anybody back here. Very private. So some of these sites here are a little tight, but man, go far back. Look how far back this one goes. This is number 7. So all the way back there. You got barbecue grill, picnic table. I don't see a fire ring. Should come up right next to site 7, between 7 and 8. It says here, bathhouse, laundry, trash drop. See if I can go take a quick look at that one. This is site number 8. Yeah, this one has a fire ring. This site number 8. It's really nice. It has its own little pathway here to go to the laundry. So it was number 7. And go to the back here. Get your laundry facility. And garbage. Looks like there's more paths here that probably lead from the campground. Looks like someone's cleaning the bathrooms. Good sign. Sort of laundry folding station. Laundry. Oh, I don't know. Smells my dog. You got washer dryers. This takes $1.75. Pretty cool. Bathroom being cleaned. Can go in there now. Another entrance here where Travato was to the facilities. So it looks like there's little pathways that come to the bathrooms from different campgrounds. Very nice. Number 11. 12. A lot of these sites are empty, but when you try to go online, it shows them all booked, so people book early, hold on to them. tent areas down there. Campfire circle in the back. I'm in another parking area of Koreshan State Park. Calls this the historic village settlement. Come here, take a tour of the historic house they have here. Nice parking. It's a nice parking back here. Nice little Westphalia over here. Hanging out. I think I saw a sign. I'm gonna take a tour of the house. Asked for a $10 donation. But I'm not gonna go in. Shows plenty of videos online of that.